Here are 10 electronics components every beginner should know. Number 1. Resistors. These limit current. Think of them like narrow pipes for electricity. You'll use them to protect LEDs, divide voltage, or control brightness. Number 2. Capacitors. Capacitors store electrical energy and release it when needed. They smooth voltage and filter noise. Number 3. Diode. A diode only lets current flow in one direction, like a one-way street. They're used in power protection and converting AC to DC. Number 4. Transistors. They are electronic switches or amplifiers. A small signal at one pin can turn a larger current on or off. They are found in all modern computing today. Number 5. Inductors. They store energy in a magnetic field. They resist changes in current and smooth out the spikes. And they are mostly used in power supplies and filters. Subscribe for part 2.